Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use keyframes in the CapCut app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our projects. From here we just open the one that we would like to work on. Then here we tap on audio. Then we tap on the file where we want to add a keyframe. And as you can see, this already had one, but if you want to add one, this little rhomboid is the one where you can add it. Let's say here it has the normal volume, and then we add a new keyframe here and decrease the volume to 25%, and we tap on OK, and then between these two keyframes the volume is going to decrease from the original to the 25%, like this. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.